Hi there. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will give you quick tips on how to create your own assignment tracker in Google Sheet. So let's get started. I'll show you it step by step. First, I'd like to change the background colors to make it look nicer. You can fill in all the column names. Don't worry about the sign and fronts because we can edit them later. Let's create the second sheet for our RDS of courses and assignment types. I create a list with up to 10 different courses and assignment types. Let's go back to previous sheet. I'm going to insert a row in highlighted column, select Arrange Select, and go to the other highlight courses. Let's customize our sheet. Now highlight the column to insert checkboxes. You can change the color and side of the checkboxes in the same way that you change text. Let's highlight the due date column and add data validation, add a new rule, and reject the input. Then you have a pop-up calendar. You can change the color in here, adjust the column side to fit the text properly. Let's do the same for the priority column. So now let's add a summary section. I'd like to have a sale for today's day. And the formula for today's date is equal today parentheses. You can change the day format for easier view. You can also add more things into it. That's how you can create your own assignment tracker in Google Sheet. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please comment down below us and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.